Okay, so here is our room. What's fun is room 6506. It's actually a secret ocean view room that is coded as a deluxe interior stateroom, but it actually has a window. What I love about the deluxe staterooms is you have this split bathroom. So it has 2 doors, and you have your toilet area with a sink, and you have your shower with a sink. So someone can be getting ready and someone else can still go to the restroom, brush their teeth, whatever they need to do. Then you have your closet space, and the ladder is for the bed, the bunk bed. Now we decorated the stateroom for Jeff's birthday. So that's something you can add at an additional cost. You have your nice privacy curtains. You want to show them the curtains, Holland? Privacy curtains. It unhooks. This is going to turn into a bed, and then you have your pull down bed that the ladder is for. TV. Okay, there's the curtain. Look, Holland, one comes from each side, that's why. And then little like desk area with a mirror. And so this is why this is a secret ocean view room. When you're in port, the window is not normally obstructed. And here's the window when it becomes more obstructed. And this is what it looks like with the bunk bed down. You have to get your room attendant to pull it down for you. And that completes our tour of Stateroom 6506 on the Disney Wonder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for future videos.